Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So you can see I have a payment proof. I have two of them which were withdrawn with different people using different withdrawal methods. So I'm just here to show you that it works. So I don't know by the time I reach the withdrawal limit if the withdrawal system will still be working, but I hope so. So this kind of opportunities, it is first come first serve. So if you happen to register as early as possible when the site is still new, you will be among the lucky people. So immediately you come across this video and you happen to watch it, kindly register using the link on the comment section so that we can see if it's still working or not. So I'm gonna do it, and by the time I reach the withdrawal limit, that is $100, I'll be able to record a video and show you guys together with the screenshots. So I'm going to show you the two different payment method that was used to withdraw on different days, okay, and different amounts from different people. Okay, so this person used Skrill as a withdrawal method. So you can see right here the date the money was withdrawn. It was on 15th September around 11 p.m. okay, in the evening. So it took some hours, because if it was withdrawn on 15th September 11 p.m. and the money arrived on 16th 4:34 a.m. in the morning on 16th of September, you can see the email, you can see the amount which was deducted as transaction fee and the amount the person received, the status Skrill accepted the payment. You can see, guys, so you can see the person withdrew $123 and the minimal withdrawal amount is $100. Okay, so the task that you're going to do in order to reach that limit, I'm going to show you guys. So watch the video until the end for you to understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so the next withdrawal proof that I'm going to show you was made via bank. So this is the second withdrawal. You can see the company's name. This person is a Nigerian. He withdrew. The person changed the currency from USD to Naira. You can see NGN. This is Nigerian currency. So the person changed it and it was 165,728 Naira. So the person withdrew it. Then the person used bank. Okay. The person used bank. Let us see. Bank. Yeah, the person used the original bank is Paystack. So the person used Paystack to withdraw. Okay, you can see the status. This person withdrew 165,728 Naira. You can see right here. And he received it on 25th of September at 9:15. Okay, you can see the amount here. So everything is shown. Status successful. Then sender is Paystack Silecom and original bank is Paystack. So transaction type is, you can see, succession ID, you can see remark, you can see. Okay, so it is real, it's still working. So I hope by the time we reach the limit that is supposed to be withdrawn, we'll be still getting the system working. So guys, let me show you the simple way of registration. Watch the video until the end for you to understand the whole process. It's a simple thing, and register as early as possible for you to be able to withdraw. Okay, so when you first click on the link, this is what will appear on your screen. The link will be on the comment section. Create an account to start earning. Okay, so you can see username, you can put your username, check it, you can create any username, email address, password, then select your country where you come from and click on sign up. Okay, Okay, guys. So I'm just seeing notifications for people who are withdrawing. Then after that, you're gonna click on create account, and that will be that. So let me log into my account and show you something. So guys, you can see right now I'm having like $14 in my account. So the work that you're gonna do is that only two. So advert job and affiliate job. Okay, so advert job, you can see advert job. If you click on advert job, you just click on there. So if you join their WhatsApp, they're gonna pay you plus like 50 cents, that is in dollars. If you do this advert, like you just click on it, the advert comes many times in a day. So just wait for this thing. You just wait for advert to run the background. Then wait like for 30 seconds or 1 minute. Okay, so after that you click on the back button, your phone back button. Okay, your phone back button like this. Then if you see, I've not finished it yet, so they cannot pay me. So I have to finish those minutes which are required in order to get paid. So you're gonna finish like 1 minute in order to get paid. Okay, so let us go back, see if they've paid us. They've added that, I don't know. So these are the kind of things you're gonna do. Like you're gonna open the advert, let it run for a minute, then go back. Okay, just click on the back button on your phone. You don't click on anything on the advert unless you're interested, but just let every just look at the advert, just leave it there for some like 1 minute, then click on the back button to go back to the site. Yeah, you can see reward, and so immediately you refresh your account, the reward will be added on the balance. You can see right now the survey completed. So again, you can earn on add affiliate job. You just share your link, then those who will join under you'll be able to see rewards here, and you can see all the information and your downlines here. So it's not a must. That is also another way of getting more. If you want to watch, you can learn through this video here. So guys, that is all. I've been looking into this. I never wanted to share it because I didn't first trust it, but because I've seen two withdrawals, because the first time I saw withdrawal, I didn't believe in it until I saw the second one. So let us go through these things right here. Like you can see the balance there, withdrawal. You're gonna do that to see how much you can withdraw. So if you have question, you can go to help center, daily available jobs, adverb jobs, and joining WhatsApp. So you can see referral bonus, refer 3 friends and earn $1. Okay, so you can see right here, go to task, accumulate earnings, complete all available tasks to increase your earnings. They also give, the reason why they're telling you to join their WhatsApp is that every time they have task, they will always do notifications on WhatsApp. They have their WhatsApp channel. So you can see cash out in 15 days. Immediately your 15 days countdown ends, your payment will be processed. So I believe those people I'm seeing here, their payment days countdown has reached and they managed to withdraw. Okay, so mine has not reached. I've joined it, but I was doing nothing until I saw the second payment is when I was like, let me give it a try. So let us give it a try, guys. At the end of the day, we are losing nothing because we are not using any money to join. Okay, you can also see all this information here. Okay, so let us see how much is allowed for withdrawal. You can see my days your cash out setting is. So they allow 15 days. So in 7 days, or 7 days 16 hours minutes, I'll be able to cash out only if I'm having uh 100, okay, dollars and above, because the withdrawal limit you can withdraw is 100. That is the minimal you can withdraw. Okay, so you can see, you can choose the country you're from. Let me just tap on my country. Oh, I don't know whether it's not opening up because my days are not yet. I guess so. So I hope once I reach the limit, I'll be able to do that. So guys, that is all I wanted to share with you guys. My 7 days are counting, countdown is running up. So that is all I wanted to share, guys. I hope it is still paying. So even if it doesn't, it's better to try than not trying. So I advise you guys, you can join this, you can try it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, okay?